Hey everybody, Crazy Caps here, doing a quick video. I originally wasn't going to do a video on getting this game, but I saw that apparently there's nothing on YouTube of it yet. So I figured I'd do a short little video showing it off a little. So this is Rocket Knight Adventures Resparked. This game I got from Limited Run Games. It comes out digitally June 11th, but I'm not sure if everyone's getting their physical copies early, but I got mine a couple days ago, and I figure I will show it off. So this is, like I said, the PlayStation 5 version. This is the front art. This is the back. Let's see, Carpet Engine, Konami, and Limited Run number 77 for the PlayStation 5. 1.8 gigabyte install, so not very big. And a sec here. Inside of the package, you get a little comic included. I'm not going to go into too much depth about this, but it starts with giving you a bit of a story summary for all of the different included games, and then it gives you a little comic to read through, which is neat. I'll probably get to that at some point, I'm not quite sure when. There's a reversible cover, by the way, that has art more like the original packaging for the games, which I do kind of prefer. I might switch to that. And then you have the disc, which has that reverse artwork on it. I'm probably going to do a quick bit of gameplay as well that I'll upload, just to show that off. I'll say early impressions are positive. I have a trophy list up there. I'm not sure how great that comes up on the camera, but it's a pretty basic trophy list. There's completing the stages and all of the games, completing a game on a certain difficulty, and if I'm correct, there's also a couple achievements relating to the boss rushes, and there is a platinum trophy to go for if you want to go for it. Now, I would do gameplay from here, but that's not very high quality. And the gameplay I can get for my PS5 will not have commentary. It'll probably be its own separate video. We'll say early impressions are positive of the collection. The video quality is great. You got a decent amount of screen options. I find it a little weird. The Sparkster, the Super Nintendo game, defaults to. That's not quite right. There we go. The Super Nintendo game defaults to a bit of a squished look. I know that's how those games look. I don't know what's going on with my camera's color here, but it has a bit of a squished look. You have to change it to 4:3, which is a little annoying, because I think that should be the default look. That's how Super Nintendo games usually did display on actual televisions at the time. So a couple other curiosities. I think the audio might be a little off. I need to listen to it more, but the boss theme didn't quite sound like. Here's the thing. I got this because I have the original Rocket Knight Adventures on Genesis. I really like the game, and the two other games included, both of the Sparkster games, are very expensive, very rare games. And of course, LRG was put out a bunch of games that I kind of wanted, but this is the one I chose to get. I wasn't going to be able to get all of them because there was like Felix the Cat, there's Gex Trilogy coming probably sometime in the future. So a bunch of different things, so I had to be choosy. But yeah. But that's the reason I got this. So I have experience playing Rocket Knight Adventures a little bit on the Genesis. And playing it on here, the audio sounded a little different than what I thought it sounded like on Genesis. I have to compare and contrast. Who knows, maybe that'll be a different video. But this is mainly just to give an early look at the packaging, what it looks like, and all that stuff. And I'll probably do a short little gameplay video just to show off the collection, since there isn't anything showing it off thus far on YouTube. So I'll probably go ahead and do that. But thank you all for watching. This was Crazy Caps, and see you on my next video.